All right, we got a lot to learn today. So conditional statements occur when an application makes decisions based on the content of its variables. Let's say you're playing Mario, and if he comes in contact with a star, everybody knows he basically becomes invincible, and this super dope banger starts playing. So conditional statements help make these kinds of decisions based off of conditions. The if-else statement executes code based on a specific logical condition. It's basically an either or, and depends on the result, one branch of code or another. They do not run at the same time. So let's make like Steve Urkel, and let's talk about family matters. Let's declare a variable called family size, and let's set it to be of type int. I have 5 people in my family. Let's declare a variable called message and set that to be of type string, and let's keep it uninitialized. If your family size is less than 4, we're going to want to set message equal to, look at this string interpolation we're about to drop here. Family size is a pretty small family. Else, message equals, the old copy paste route, Command C, Command V. It's pretty big. So basically, this condition is going to test whether our family size is less than 4 via the comparison operator here. If the condition evaluates to false, aka if the family size is greater than 4, then the message, you got a pretty big family, is going to happen. And you can see that this is saying that this statement is true, because that's what's being run. There are a total of 8 comparison operators. We have the greater than, so if it's greater than, this one should go. We have the less than or equal to, if it's smaller than or equal to 4. As you could have guessed, greater than or equal to, if it's greater than or equal to 4. The equal sign, which evaluates whether the value on the left is equal to the value on the right. So if this was 4 and this is 4, it would return true. We have the not equal to. If it's not equal to, do this. If it is equal to, do that. And we also have the equals, which is going to evaluate whether the 2 instances point to the same reference. We're not going to get into that right now. And then lastly, we have the not equal sign, which evaluates whether 2 instances do not point to the same reference, which we will also get to later. So sometimes we only care about one aspect of the condition that is under evaluation. We want to execute code if a certain condition is met and do nothing if it's not met. So we can declare is a cool guy, give it a type of bool, which equals true. So bool is short for boolean, and boolean types can take one of 2 values, true or false. Obviously right here we set is a cool guy equal to true. Let's do something with it. So if not is a cool guy, so if that's not true, print don't let him date your daughter, because nobody wants a not cool guy to date their daughter. The exclamation mark is a logical operator known as logical not. It tests whether is a cool guy is false. So you can think of an exclamation mark as inverting a Boolean value. So basically true becomes false and false becomes true. Because we set is a cool guy to true, the condition not is a cool guy is false. That is, it is not the case that is a cool guy is false. Therefore, this will never get called because this was true. There's also 3 logical operators that we got to be aware of. The double and, it's called logical and, but I call it the double and that is true if and only if both statements are true. The double pipe is true if only one of them has to be true for it to be true. It's the logical or, and then the not, which I already showed you. So let's do var has cats of type bool equal to true. And let's do var age integer equals 21. I'm only 20, I'm not that old, all right? Stop getting ideas. So if has cats is true and age is greater than or equal to 21, let's date her. I'm all for her. Those are my only conditions. Else print dump her, which is kind of messed up. But then if we did is less than 21, but we threw an or on here, So if has cats is true or age is less than 21, which it's not, print this. Good thing has cats is true. So if has cats is not true or age is under 21, date her. Unfortunately, we're going to dump her because she doesn't have cats and she is not younger than 21, which is a weird thing to want when you're dating someone. All right, that's all for if statements. We're going to get more into it in the next video. We're going to work on ternary operators and then move our way to nested ifs, else ifs, and so on. So if you have any questions about this, you can go ahead and leave them in the comments or hit me up on any other social media. If not, go on to the next video and it probably will make more sense then too. See you then.